Hi guys, I'm just here and seeing an ENT, and I've just had my ears checked because it's all connected. And yeah, this is basically where I am here, and got put into this little booth here, and I did a hearing test through here with this lovely lady that said everything's fine. How you doing? And yep, going to be seeing Dr. Irani Bowman very shortly. Thank you.
Mr. Baxter, Voice Clinic in Melbourne, and we found that reflux maybe had been a primary cause up to that time. How has it gone last 6 years? 6 years or
Yeah, well, I only get a checkup if something's not going great. So, and this hasn't felt great. I just really wanted to sort of see what.
Come this way. So this is your larynx. Yeah? So I'm going from the top.
Yeah.
Looking down. I get a talk to you. I get this from the top.
Yep.
These are your vocal cords.
Yep.
Yeah. Partially open, fully open, and you talk and it's closed. So it's a different activity to do, but according to coronary function. These are the very defined muscles that are there, that there's various cord movements.
Yep.
Now, if you got nasty nasal catarrh, discharge, and keep on, then you can traumatize the vocal cords, which must be what you must be doing, which you call the flu. That could happen with your vocal cords.
Yeah, but I really just wanted to get it checked out, just so that there's no damage. Just it just doesn't feel.
Well, you know, you're a singer. I'm sure you're a music teacher. You're a professional teacher that works with you all the time.
Yeah, I've been teaching.
No, so when you sing a lot,
yep.
So you have yourself warm up your vocal cords.
Oh, sure.
Go through the process
Every time.
So
Never go without it.
it's obviously.
I always warm up, use my diaphragm support, and I've been having to really use it twice, my diaphragm and support, and really place the sound so I'm not fatiguing my voice. Yeah.
Perfect. So I'm going to go through your left nostril. This is more loose inside.
Yeah.
And put your right nostril in it, down here. Thank you. Up in the nostril. I'm in the nose now. Now behind the nose, nasal passage is clear at the back. Past your nose, back of your mouth, and into your neck now. And bring it to the larynx now. Say E.
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 Say one.
One.
It's perfectly healthy. Nothing wrong with your vocal cords. No pathology there as such. And you're very tuned to your different politics. So normal. Can you say for me? I'm happy. No problem. Coming down. That wasn't too bad.
Is everything okay?
Yep. I think you should look after your cold and flu better. Maybe you have a sniffy nose, your catarrh goes nasal. Take a man histamine. Take a man histamine. Take a man histamine.
What's antihistamine?
Oh, like Telfast or Zyrtec or
Okay.
sinuses.
Yeah, because I'm always clearing my throat all the time. Yeah.
Okay. I'll do a test for allergy. See any allergy affects your nasal activity and catarrh back up and down.
Yep. Okay, so the vocals are in good condition, no nodules, anything like that?